So we're here today at MC Machinery Systems. Beautiful facility here. I can't wait to see what they have inside. I'm meeting Bill Isaac, their vice president, and he's going to walk us through the facility and show us some of their technology. Morning, Bill.
Morning, Jesse.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good. Beautiful facility here.
Oh, thank you.
So what does MC Machinery do in this facility?
Well, we are a sales and support organization for Mitsubishi lasers and EDM and milling machines.
So you guys started with Mastercam kind of on the EDM side, right?
Yeah, in the 80s, Mastercam came to us and wanted a post-processor because some of our customers were using your stuff on their milling, and then they wanted to use the same software on our wire EDM machines.
And then you got involved in milling later on?
Yeah, we started bringing in Roku. Roku was our first milling machine we brought in, and then Mastercam became a stronger partner.
Now we work together all the time.
All the time, and it's a great relationship. We appreciate everything you guys do for us.
So from a service side, I mean, you guys are kind of unique in some of what you offer from that side, right?
We have support all over North America, actually, and we have service guys all over the country supporting all our products, and we support our products that we first brought in 1978.
Can we go take a look at some of them?
Sure, no problem.
Let's check it out. Hey, Joe.
Hey, Jesse.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
So this is a neat area back here.
This is our museum area. This is where we keep all of our model of machines, our EDMs, and along this wall you'll see our sinkers, and along this wall you'll see our wires.
So why do you have these old machines in here?
So we keep them here mainly for support. Our engineers, when talking to customers on the phone for phone support, will come back here and they can work through a problem with a customer. We also use these machines to test equipment that we've repaired.
That's got to be kind of unique in the industry. I doubt everybody's keeping these old models around.
We like to make sure we keep our customers satisfied and happy, and we don't turn our back on any of the old machines that we've sold.
So I know we're partnering up for a few demos we've got running out in your milling showroom.
Yeah.
Could you take me over there? I'd like to see those.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yep.
Hey, Lucas.
Hey Jesse, how's it going?
I've been hearing so much about the Scorpion demo. I finally get to see it. This is the Ingersoll 550. Can you tell me a little bit about the machine?
Yeah, so this is a gantry style machine. The casting is made so that the parts, non-moving, are 7 parts to 1 moving part. It helps with temperature control, temperature stabilization, so we could keep really tight tolerancing on this. It's got temperature sensors all over the machine, and it's constantly monitoring and constantly compensating in the axes. The tool changer is on the side, it's interchangeable. We have different spindles, HSK 40, 50, the V9.
I noticed this has a hide and hide control on it. You must be getting some great motion control out of that.
Yeah, so we're using the TNC 640, the latest and greatest from Hide and Hide. Everything is smooth.
So noticing the very long, kind of unfavorable length to diameter ratio tools you're using here. I know graphite's pretty free machining, but machine simulation has to be critical here.
Yes, it's very important, especially when we're trying to get all the tight nooks and crannies. So the machine simulation lets us get very close to the part. You know, at times we're 20, 15,000 away from hitting stock, and I'm never going to catch that. So it's important to catch it before it actually happens.
So do you guys have anything new coming out?
So as far as the milling line, we have a V9 that's a little bit bigger, and then a V12 is also in the works, which is 1,000 millimeter travel, big spindle up to HSK 100, linear motors, linear guides, very exciting stuff.
Well, I appreciate you having us in here.
Thanks for coming
Really
in.
great technology, great facility. We'll see you soon.
Awesome, thank you.